A woman enjoying the evening with her 4-year-old granddaughter when she comes face to face with a criminal trying to get away from police. New video tonight and 911 calls show the woman's fast thinking to get him out of her home.
But when he broke in a second time, she was ready with her gun and shot him. Tonight, her story.
Get back! Get back! I have a gun! Get back! Get back!
That's Anissa Tenen heard on a 911 call after this man confronted her. Just 10 minutes earlier, she was singing and dancing to the Taylor Swift movie with her 4-year-old granddaughter. While down the street, chaos unfolded. Police say they spotted 32-year-old Joseph Rivera in a stolen car last month around 9:30 in the evening near Candelaria and Rio Grande. Spike strips caused him to crash, but he took off on foot down Candelaria, hopping a fence into Tenen's yard. The family's Ring camera captures his every move. Here you see him walking into the home.
I jumped over this couch and went towards him, and we met basically right there in the front door. That's when he grabbed me and was upset and said to give me my keys, but he didn't want to go to jail. He did threaten to hurt my granddaughter and I.
Tenen tries to calm him down.
As we were walking, I put my hands on him to say, to try to be calming and tell me what your name is, tell me where you're from.
The intruder wants her keys. As she looks for her keys, she also dials 911.
911 emergency.
Leaving the line open.
Hey, let's go outside.
You can hear Tenen in the background trying everything to get him to leave.
To not hurt us, that I would do whatever he wanted. I would give him keys, money, whatever it took.
Rivera finally grabs a key fob and heads to her car.
This guy came into my house. He's trying to take my car. Please help me.
Then really tough moments with her 4-year-old granddaughter, telling her to stay in her bedroom.
I need you to be really brave, Aya, okay? I gotta go. You stay right here in Aya's bedroom, okay? It's okay, baby. I know, honey. I know. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Tenen grabs her gun to check if he has left, but he hasn't. You can hear sirens. Police are closing in.
I kept asking him if he had a gun.
You can hear Rivera banging on the door. Then he kicks in the door.
I'm back here, and he's coming at me down the hallway, this way, and he's walking at a fast pace.
Get back! Get back! I have a gun! Get back! Get back! I will Hurry!
What did you do?
No! Because you're in my house!
I knew I was the only thing between me and my granddaughter.
Tenen then tells the suspect she'll help him.
I will get you water, but if you hurt me, I'm going to shoot you again.
And I held pressure on his wound.
This woman, who did everything she could to protect her granddaughter, turns her attention now to the man who just moments before threatened her.
God, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Tenen begs the dispatcher for help.
Oh, God, this is not happening. Where are the police?
APD stepping in. Albuquerque, please. Hands up, hands up, hands up.
Minutes later, officers move in, dragging Rivera out.
I do believe we had a guardian angel here with us, and I do firmly believe that God was watching over us.
Rivera is now facing a long list of charges on top of his lengthy rap sheet.
I would like for him to be held to the fullest extent. I absolutely do not want the DA's office giving him a plea deal. He belongs in jail.
Tenen's granddaughter is struggling from that night. Megan is her mother.
She's scared of the dark and not like normal 4-year-olds. She won't walk down hallways that are dark by herself. When a 4-year-old is asking you if the doors are locked at night and if the alarm is set, I'm just so proud of Anissa. It couldn't have played out better given the circumstances, and it could have been a lot worse.
And I think that when you're faced with a decision of protecting your family, you do what you have to do.
Rivera was back in court today where a judge finally ordered him to remain behind bars. Rivera had a warrant out for his arrest after police say in July he was found passed out in a stolen car. But even with 5 previous felony convictions, a judge released him days later. Then he failed to appear in court. He was arrested again in September and released again. He didn't appear in court in October, yet when he was arrested, he was released again. He has been on the run since and now faces more burglary and car theft charges. Judge Joseph Montano ordered Rivera to stay behind bars.